So we're looking at A3. Every point of three-dimensional space is colored red, green, or blue. Show that one of the colors attains all distances. That is, any positive real number represents the distance between 2 points of this color. So you want to show that for every x, a positive real number, there's some. Hi, Yudi. Wow, everyone's joining now. We're looking at A3, question A3. So you want to show that for every positive real number, there's at least one color. Sorry, no, you want to show that there's some color where for every positive real number, you have that positive real number as a distance between 2 points of that color. So basically, you're partitioning three-dimensional space into 3 different subsets. And if you add those subsets together, you get three-dimensional space back again. And there's no overlap between them. So you're going to want to assume for contradiction that there's no color that attains all distances. And then pick some particular distance that isn't attained by any color. Or by a particular color. And you're going to show that that implies that I think it would involve an infinite regress. I don't think we covered that last time. Infinite regress is basically you show that there's a sequence, an infinite sequence of, in this case, geometric configurations that you can generate with some specified process that can't possibly exist given the setup of the question. But you can generate it if you assume your contradiction hypothesis. The other way I could see of going about this one would be find some specific configuration that if a particular color does not attain a particular distance, you can show that one of the other 2 colors has to attain all distances. And that's the basic way you turn this into a contradiction proof. I think we'll move on to the workshop now, unless anybody else wanted to cover particular questions. Did that answer your confusion, Weza? Okay, I think we'll try to have the problem set solutions up by Sunday when the next one is released. And you can compare whatever you came up with to whatever we think is the best solution, which is usually pretty subjective. Cool.